How to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed business manager pro ads on your Facebook account. How to fix this problem? Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open the settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. And when you open apps or applications, you will go directly to uh, as you see, you will go to Facebook, and when you found Facebook, just open it like this, scroll down and go to storage, then go to clear data like this and click OK, and now your problem will solve it. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.